An IRA is really just what those letters stand for. It's an individual retirement account. IRAs are generally for people who are at or very close to retirement. We tend to manage them into their retirement years. We get them established and then start them on that distribution journey towards the end. A traditional IRA is going to be pre-tax money that's put away at FNBA in a certificate of deposit.
It's just like a traditional CD. So they pick the term and they lock it in for that length of time and they're guaranteed that rate, just like a traditional CD.
All that interest is allowed to grow without any taxes being imposed.
But we also have Roth IRAs.
So a Roth IRA is going to be money that's already been taxed that you then put into the retirement account. So when you withdraw it, there are no taxes applied at that point. So the benefit really comes to when the taxes are going to be applied to the account. So those are two sides of the retirement account coin.
I think with customers, it depends on their age, if they're going to be taking the money out. If someone's getting close to retirement and they are going to take those funds out to, maybe they're going to retire, or maybe they're going to buy like a home in Florida, or they need that money to live off from, then they'll stagger or tier or ladder their CD IRA so that they can take that money out.
And the best thing too is if you have a financial advisor, if an IRA is going to be part of a bigger financial plan, we're really experts on the accounts. We're not the experts on the financial planning. So if you come to us and you know what you need, we can absolutely get the account up and running. We'll do our best to answer any questions you have, but if we're out of our depth, we're going to refer you back to a financial planner to make sure that you're utilizing your funds and your tax benefits the best you can in the context of your full financial picture. So to roll over 401k into an IRA, the best thing to do is gather your account paperwork for the 401k, come visit a banker in one of your local branches.
Customers will come to us and we'll complete a transfer request, and they will send it to either their 401k provider or another financial institution, and then we'll request the money.
We'll look at it with you. We'll get a plan open or add to a plan that you may have with us, and then we can get the appropriate forms completed to request those funds be transferred over into the right account for you here at FNBA. At a certain point with a traditional IRA, the government requires you to take distributions so they can begin taxing those dollars. They have yet to collect any tax dollars on those funds. It depends on what age you start doing them, but we always make sure, even though those funds are locked into a certificate of deposit, if you're required due to your age to take a distribution, there's no penalty or fees associated with that transaction on an annual basis. IRAs, because they're specialized tax-protected accounts, we only offer those at our physical locations in East Lansing, Traverse City, and Grand Rapids. Unfortunately, we're not able to open those online yet. We have a chat feature, so anytime you have a question, you can literally drop a chat in. It's secure. We know it's you because you've logged in, you've passed all of those security check marks, and we can get right into the nitty-gritty and answer questions right there if you happen to be out and about and don't have time for a call. You're talking to a person. Whenever you type in that chat, it comes to those of us in the branch that manage your account. And it's not just FNBA, it's your branch. So if you bank at Traverse City, you're getting a Traverse City representative. If you're banking in East Lansing, you're getting an East Lansing representative. You're getting somebody who's familiar with your situation. And I should add too, that's the same for our phones. You're not gonna hit a phone tree with a million different directions. You're gonna land with your local branch. And if it's not with your local branch, it's another part of the FNBA branch family who can take good care of you.
To learn more about how our services can help you achieve your financial goals, visit us online at fnba.com.